Beautiful babes, you're not going to believe it. Your girl is actually going to do her updated brow tutorial. Can you believe it? Yes, I am. Starting with and using my brush on brow by Black Opal in medium. Now, I don't think they actually carry this particular style of it. Well, I think they do have one, but this one is a little bit ancient. Y'all know how my makeup rolls. This is a Black Radiance brush that I'm going to use, this dual-ended brush here, and it is so perfect for putting on powdered brows. Okay, so I'm just brushing my brow up and going ahead and starting to fill them in. I thought this would be perfect since it's been so long since I've done this on the channel or this channel. As you know, my makeup tutorials and all of that originally started on Beauty by Sweet Angel, but because that channel did convert over to what I use to keep my skin clear and wrinkle free the best I can, I pretty much decided to go ahead and make sure that everything on that channel had to do with my homemade remedies and natural treatments for skin care and health care and all of that. So now all of the makeup is over here on behind the scenes. So behind the scenes is just that. What goes on behind the scenes to make it is, what it looked like, what it is today. How about that? So now just a close-up of the brow, which is really easy to do with the brush because you know you're just putting it where you need it. All I'm doing is outlining my actual eyebrow. I already have them pretty much arched the way I want them to be, and I just fill it in, and of course it grows a little bit thicker and bigger as I put on the powder, but you can fade it and create the shape that you want pretty easily with using the powder versus the pencils, etc. But I will be doing one using my favorite pencil as well on this channel, so stay tuned for that. If you love makeup, or if you love makeup tutorials, or just makeup, would you please drop a like on the video and make sure that you go ahead and let me know so I can bring more to you. And now that the brows are on, looking almost like twin sisters, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up using my MAC brush, the 208, which is my favorite one. I'm going to use this Perfect Beige concealer from CoverGirl, the True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is the one. I love using this one for my cleanup brows, and also it is great to also use as my eyeshadow base. So I'll drag it all the way down to my lid for my shadow base. So I just smear it on here, and then I'll just go ahead and take my brush and blend it out and pretty much cut a great clean line underneath the brow, as you see here. Pretty simple. I'm not, again, a makeup guru, but I just want to show you what I do, basically. And I hope that this is helpful to somebody out there who doesn't know how to do anything, but there again, you know, not to teach someone who knows how to do them perfectly, if there is anyone like that. Okay? And just taking this nice little blending brush. This is from Real Techniques. I don't know if they still make these or not, but I'll try to link all of my products and tools that I'm using in the description box for you. And you know the description box is right under the video along with links. And this is how the brows turned out. Okay. And of course I use a brush to brush them through, you know, an eyebrow brush, so it thins them out just a little bit. And I hope you liked today's video, just sharing just a tidbit on these brows. And it was great hanging out with y'all, and I hope you think the same of me. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, drop me some hearts in the comments, or share your thoughts. That would be perfect. I'll see y'all on the next one, and take care until then. Bye now.